To control the order of operations in expressions, use parentheses. They ensure that a specific operation is performed before others, following standard operator precedence rules. Parentheses help ensure clarity and correctness in expressions, especially when working with mixed operations. They are also used as part of statements like for, switch, method invocations, and method definitions. In these cases, they are part of the statement, used to enclose arguments, conditions, or other necessary elements.